We are recording once again up on the Blue Ridge Parkway at 5,300 feet. Just getting out of a construction zone. Hopefully the rear-facing camera gets some good views down into the valleys.
Or just me.
Well, like I said, hopefully they'll get some good views.
You should be able to edit me out.
Racy. Reduce your speed ahead. Beautiful 73.4 degrees. Lovely road. Well, I always said I had my head in the clouds.
Yeah, look at that. We're literally in the clouds.
Whoop.
Alright, it's probably time for those Harley guys to pull over, because, you know.
It's been a while.
Mm-hmm.
Been a whole 3 miles. Refill the oil.
Concourse dude is, must be riding in jeans.
Yeah.
Got that sore ass thing going on.
Oh, look at the clouds coming up over the hill.
Yeah. I remember that one time that we were...
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
It really was.
72.5. Oh, well, I'll have to turn the volume up on this one. It's dark in here. Juvenile.